Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to Learn English with Sapna. In today's video, we will read a very inspiring story called The Farmer Who Never Gave Up. Through this story, you will learn new words, practice English reading and listening, and discover the power of determination. So, sit back, listen carefully, and enjoy. Once, in a small village, there lived a poor farmer named Raghu. He owned a tiny piece of land where he grew rice and wheat. But every year the rains failed, the land cracked, the plants dried, and the harvest was very small. Raghu's neighbors said, "You should give up farming. It brings only pain." But Raghu shook his head. He said softly, "I will not give up. This land is my life." He worked from morning till night, even when his hands were covered with blisters, even when his body ached with pain. He kept digging, sowing, and watering. One night, sitting under a tree, Raghu looked at the stars. He whispered, "One day I will grow so much food that no child in this village will sleep hungry." This dream gave him strength. He learned new methods of farming. He collected rainwater in small ponds. He planted trees to protect the soil. Slowly, the land began to smile again. Children started helping him in the fields. They laughed, they learned, and they sang songs while planting seeds. But one year, a big storm came. The strong winds destroyed half his crops. The villagers said again, "Now you must stop. You have lost everything." Raghu replied, "No, a farmer does not stop when crops fail. A farmer learns and tries again." With courage, he started from the beginning. Day by day, step by step, he worked harder, and slowly the fields grew green once more. That year, the harvest was bigger than ever. The village celebrated. People danced and sang for the first time in many years. Nobody went to bed hungry. Years passed, and Raghu grew old. His hair turned white, but his spirit remained strong. Children called him Grandfather Farmer. He built a small school near the fields. He taught children not only how to read and write, but also how to grow food, care for the earth, and never gave up. When he passed away, the villagers planted a tree in his memory. Under that tree, children still sit and study. Friends, this story teaches us that determination is stronger than any obstacle. Failures will come, storms will come, but if we never give up, we can turn empty fields into green farms and dreams into reality. So, never give up in farming, in learning, or in life. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like, hype, share, and subscribe to Learn English with Sapna for more inspiring English stories. See you in next videos. Till then, bye bye and take care.